Say, Oliver, sit. Good. Down. Good. There you go. Yeah. Say, ride him, cowboy. Ride him, cowboy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. What do you tell him? Aiden, what do you tell him? Sit? No, you gotta tell him to sit. Good boy. Lay down. Down. Good boy. Oh, good boy, Oliver. Yes, you are. Tell him, you gotta tell him. Good boy. Whoa. Oh, he's squishing you. Are you riding the doggy? He's being a good boy. Stay, stay, stay. Yeah, you gotta tell him stay. Very good. Oh. Ride him, cowboy.